हाय गाइस, तो हम आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे CN टावर में और मेरा यहाँ पे फ्रेंड है साहिल। तो हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अपना मैजिक रिव्यू। तो आज साहिल वी गोना फर्स्ट ट्राई आउट अ ट्रिक हियर। सो आई एम गोना ओपन माय कैलकुलेटर। तो मैं अपने फ़ोन में ये कैलकुलेटर स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ। सो आई वांट यू टू पुट इन सम नंबर्स
Like any number?
सो आई विल टेल यू टू टाइप इन द डे यू वर बोर्न,
Okay, the day. Just that's it.
मल्टीप्लाई दैट
Mm-hmm.
by the month you were born,
Okay.
multiply that by the year you were born in a 1990 format.
Okay.
Format, okay? Multiply that with, so your phone has a pin, right? Your phone has a 4-digit pin.
Yep.
Type that in.
Okay.
And now type the time that is there right now. तो अभी जो टाइम हो रहा है वो तो टाइप कर। जैसे 5:03 है तो 5:03,
Okay.
6:08 है तो ऐसे।
Do I have to multiply or just
Multiply. Everything is multiplied.
Okay.
All right.
Now press equals.
Good then.
Uh-huh.
ठीक है? Now you have a random number.
It's a pretty huge number, yep.
It's a pretty huge number, right? So I have a thing in my wallet right now. What's the number? Starts with something with 2.
Yes.
So मेरे हाथ में ये है एक लॉटरी टिकट, right?
That's it.
So I want you to just तो जितनी भी तुम्हें डिटेल्स डाली हैं, it's specific to you.
Yeah, where are
मुझे
you
कोई
guys?
पता नहीं
20
है
degrees, 22,
तू कब
it's,
कौन, मतलब मुझे पता है but a random person
No, no,
मुझे
definitely
तेरा पिन भी नहीं पता है.
नहीं.
And using those digits, look at the number that matches your body.
Look, see? It's curving its way up its arm.
1, 2,
Why are you
5,
doing that?
Whoa. Yes, guys. I think this is the same number for sure.
And you can check it out.
Whoa.
It matches, right?
It matches. Wow. Do you guys want to see?
Damn.
Nice. Whoa.
Hi guys, तो ये दूसरी जो ट्रिक है which is like a card prediction trick. तो साहिब जो playing cards होते हैं 4 suits होते हैं, spades, diamonds, clubs and hearts. So I want you to just randomly name whichever you like.
I would say clubs.
Clubs, right? और जो numbers होते हैं 1 to 10
Uh-huh.
and then there's the jack, queen, king and ace. So you can come up with any number.
7.
7. So you said 7 of
7 of clubs.
7 of clubs. अब तूने मुझे Facebook पे ऐड किया, he has added me on Facebook. So just go to your Facebook and go to my profile.
Okay. All right.
और एक चीज़ देख, मेरी वॉल पे जा। अब मेरी
So
वॉल
this
पे
is
जा।
profile.
हाँ, go to my wall.
Uh-huh.
वहाँ पे तुझे एक पिक्चर देखी होगी।
हाँ.
उस पे क्या लिखा हुआ है?
What?
क्या लिखा हुआ
Says, hey Sahil, this will be your future prediction.
है? ठीक है। Now click on that picture.
Okay.
ये एक बंदा है, his name is Harry Houdini. He was just a magician back in the day, like 1900s में. इसने एक कार्ड पकड़ा हुआ है. That card is your prediction, जो अभी हम randomly इस नाम पे आए हैं. पर इसमें देखो वैल्यू नहीं समझ आ रही होगी. Why don't you zoom into his eyes?
It says it's 7 of clubs. What the fuck? Guys, okay, you have to see this. 7
So he zoomed into his eyes, and
Of
that's the
clubs.
value of the card that Sahil chose.
Whoa.
Dude. So Sahil, this one I'm gonna use a random deck of cards. ठीक है? This is a new deck of cards that I just gave to Sahil. ठीक है? अब just open up the deck, and as you can see, all of them are random cards. You can even check. सब कुछ ही random है. ठीक है? And now if you want to shuffle, you can even shuffle the deck as well.
Yeah, let's make it more complicated.
Let's make it extremely complicated, difficult for me to figure out anything.
Okay. You first. Yeah.
ठीक है, अब I have Sahil's phone. I'm just going to use notes to actually come up with a prediction.
Okay.
जो मुझे लग रहा है तू उस कार्ड पे जाके कट करे.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, कार्ड्स तू ऐसे फॉर्मेट में रख.
हाँ.
ठीक है, and you're gonna cut a set of cards. मुझे अभी नहीं पता, पहले मुझे प्रेडिक्शन करने दे, देन यू कर सकते.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, आई बिलीव कि तू ये वाला कार्ड कट करने वाला है. हाँ, आउट ऑफ 52 डेक्स साहिल कहीं पे भी कट कर सकता है डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स. सो व्हाई डोंट यू कट द कार्ड साहिल एंड डोंट लुक एट इट. तुमने यहाँ पे चेस्ट पे रख लो. ठीक है, नाउ चेक आउट द प्रेडिक्शन दैट आई डिड. दैट्स द प्रेडिक्शन दैट आई डिड.
Okay.
That's gonna be your card. Why don't you check where you cut?
What the?
And Sahil cut at the 7 of hearts, guys.
Dude.
Well, that's how you impress a girl, I guess.
I guess. Need to learn some tricks.
Exactly. So the next trick that I have is a music prediction style.
Okay.
तो इसमें क्या होगा कि you have a song in mind, right? So you have your YouTube app on your
Yes.
phone. So just open YouTube for me
Okay.
and give me the phone. And I think that in a second Sahil is gonna choose that song.
Sure.
ठीक है? तो मैं इसमें एक prediction डालता हूँ. And hopefully Sahil chooses that song, okay? So Sahil, I've already made the prediction. So tera, just open your hands and just keep it like that. And we're gonna mute that as well, right?
Yep. No sound.
So that there's no sound. So now Sahil, तेरे मन में एक song होगा, ठीक है? Come up with a song, okay?
Okay. Wait, let me think. Okay.
Now, is there any way I can know that song?
Definitely not.
मैंने
You don't
कभी
even know the
सुना
band.
I don't even know the band,
No.
right? So just in case, क्योंकि लोग बहुत बार मैं ये ट्रिक करता हूँ तो लोग दूसरा नाम दे देते हैं. So just in case, just type in the name of the song that you have in your mind.
Okay. Just the song or the artist too?
Song is okay,
Alright.
right? And so that's the song that Sahil wrote. I have no idea कौन सा song है. So I'm just gonna place my phone over here and just increase the volume on your phone.
You have to like, I think it's logged.
Wait, it's locked.
Yep. There's an ad.
Let's wait for the ad.
Dude, I actually showed this song.
That's the right
Yes.
song? What's the name of the song?
So the song is called Opera House by Cigarettes After Sex.
And that's the exact song
What
that
the
Sahil
hell?
chose.
This is so cool.
So messed up, right?
Yeah.
Damn. So Sahil, I have a deck of cards, right? So these are all random cards, right? So I want you to just like go ahead and choose a card, right?
Okay.
High quality,
So,
high
go ahead and
quality
choose any card.
product.
And just remember the card,
Okay.
right? And just place it there.
Alright.
Now I'm just gonna give a couple of cuts like that, right? I'm gonna shuffle it as well. Asaya, the card is not at the bottom, right?
Nope.
Your card is not on the top as well.
Nope.
But since I know magic, just put out your hand.
Sure. Guys, yes, this was my card.
That's your card, right?
Yes.
So Sahil, your last trick है, which is like a book test, okay? So I have this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. तूने पढ़ी होगी, of course. ठीक है? तो अब हम एक काम करेंगे, हम एक random number generate करेंगे. ठीक है? So I have a deck of cards here, and we're gonna come up with a random card, okay? So Sahil, एक deck of cards है, मैं book रख लेता हूँ मेरे पास.
Okay.
Now, do like a small cut, like maybe 10 cards or something. So इसको fold कर दें. No. Now turn it over.
Okay.
Now do a deeper cut.
Okay.
Fold it over. Give me the cards. इससे क्या होगा ना? इससे हमें एक random card आ जाएगा. ठीक है? तो पहला जो हमारा ये कार्ड है, which is upside down, ये हमारा random card है.
Okay.
ठीक है? और जो हमारा random card है वो है 6 of diamonds. ठीक है? Now, take this book. सारे नंबर इसमें रैंडम है. ठीक है? एक बार ट्रैक कर ले, सारे वर्ड सारी चीज़ें रैंडम है, कोई इसमें कोई गिमिक कुछ है नहीं, कुछ बनाया हुआ नहीं है. नाउ द नंबर दैट यू केम अप विद, द रैंडम नंबर, गो टू द 6th पेज ऑफ द बुक एंड जस्ट रीड द फर्स्ट वर्ड ऑन द 6th पेज. नहीं, डोंट से इट टू मी. एकदम ही रैंडम है. इज देयर एनी वे आई कैन नो अबाउट व्हाट्स रिटन ऑन द फर्स्ट
No.
लाइन?
Definitely not.
बट आई ट्राई टू गेस क्या लिखा हुआ है.
Okay.
ठीक है? जो हमारी चॉइस थी पूरी रैंडम थी,
हाँ,
बुक पूरी रैंडम है,
हाँ।
वर्ड सारे रैंडम.
हाँ.
इज देयर एनी वे आई कैन नो?
definitely not.
बट तूने क्योंकि मुझे पहला वर्ड बता दिया है विच इज़ यू, सो आई ट्राई टू गेस कि क्या हो सकता है पहला सेंटेंस, काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस.
Uh-huh.
सो द सेंटेंस समथिंग स्टार्ट्स विद यू. मुझे लग रहा है कि you'll get anxious about confronting somebody, something like that, something on those lines. पूरा
Yes.
sentence नहीं पता मुझे, but it's something like that,
Yes, for sure. That is correct.
right?
That is too messed up.
And it was a completely random choice,
Yes,
right?
it is.
So yeah, that's part of mentalism, that's part of mind
Guys, you
reading.
need to check this out.
Damn.
I'm amazed.
So this one is a card prediction trick. तो इसमें I'm gonna make a prediction. So let's start with the trick. तो साहिब, ये normal deck of cards हैं,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है? तो चाहे तो इनको shuffle भी कर सकता है if you have any. ठीक है? तो देख सकते हैं कि सारे कार्ड इसमें
Random.
रैंडम है, ठीक है? अब इनमें से मैं एक प्रिडिक्शन पहले ही टेबल पे डाल दूंगा. So I'm just gonna predict something. So I've already made my prediction over here, okay? ये ले 5 cards. अब between 10 to 25 any cards, यहाँ पे तो randomly deal कर, one at a time. ठीक है? Between 10 to 20 25, whatever you feel like. You can also do it in a bunch. It's up to you. Completely random number है. ठीक है? Now put the cards away. That's the prediction. ठीक है? अब इनको 2 piles में कर.
Okay.
ठीक है? One at a time. ठीक है?
Okay.
So now these are 2 completely different piles. There is no way कि मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा कार्ड कहाँ पे है, क्या चीज़ है. But already made my prediction. ठीक है? तो हम ये 2 cards लेंगे. ठीक है? And we're just gonna keep the rest of them over here. ठीक है? Now, left or right?
Right.
Right? So we're gonna dispose of that card. ठीक है? That's a completely random choice.
Very
Is
random.
there any way I can know कौन सा card है?
Definitely not. I shuffle the cards.
And I already made a prediction over here. Okay? So now, Sahil, just turn over this card.
Can I show it to the camera?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So
So the completely random card that Sahil chose is a 4 of.
hearts.
So that's the completely random choice, right?
Yep.
अब साहिल, शुरुआत होने से पहले मैंने एक कार्ड ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे रख दिया था.
Huh.
Why don't you turn it over? And that card is gonna be the exact twin of this card.
But all the cards were random.
Check it out.
What the hell?
And that's the 4 of clubs.
Yes.
And this one is the 4 of hearts.
This is mind blowing.
That was a completely random choice, right?
How do you do that, man?
Just a lot of practice, I guess. And just the
Amazing,
way.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah.